Hello guys, nice to see you back on the channel. Today we're going to look at the DJI Goggles 2 Integra and see what you get for the money. So let's get right into it. So let's open the box. Let's take a closer look. You see the battery on the back, which is attached to the head strap. So let's get it out. Okay, let's take that off. It's the front, the top, the bottom. You have the on-off switch. It's a USB-C plug. It's got some LEDs on the side. When you flip up the antenna, you've got the joystick button and a back button. On the other side, you can flip the antenna also up. There's nothing on this side. Okay, let's just put that down for the moment. And then we've got this battery pack. It says remove before use, so let's do that. Okay, it has some details written on there that you can't really see anyways. So this is for making the strap tighter or looser. You see this comes, this top part here comes out or closer together. It should somewhere have a plug, I thought, but I think the cable, oh no, as the cable is inside, I suppose that you charge it by using the USB-C port here. Okay, let's just put that aside for the moment. And let's just see what else you get in the parcel. You get a bag of accessories. You get another bag. We have some instructions. Let's see anything else in the bag. No, can't see anything. Let's take a look in here. Okay, these are all the correcting lenses. I don't wear glasses, but I want to show it to you. So it goes from -8D up to +2D. So you can see if that's maybe if you're wearing glasses and if you have a prescription, maybe they will fit for you. Okay, let's put that to the side. And let's see what's in this bag. If I can get it to open. Okay. So that's all out, I guess. Here we have, I guess it's a kind of OTG cable. So it goes from USB-C to normal USB. We've got some additional, that's for the head strap if you want to additionally put a strap over your head. I will not do that, I don't like it. Then we've got the cleaning cloth, and we've got the inserts for the correction lenses. I would just leave that in there, don't want to make it dirty or anything. So let's take that back and take a closer look at the goggles on the inside. Of course, you have to peel that off. Here you have the port for the micro SD card. The goggles do smell a bit of, I don't know how to explain that, a little bit of yeah, cheapy plastic, don't know, or maybe it's just this thing here. Don't think that's really leather, but it might be also the rubber. But I hope that it will go away quickly. So yeah, it's time to connect it to the PC, get it all up and running, but this will be in another video. Hope to see you soon, and would be honored if you would subscribe to the channel and share the video with others and leave a like. See you soon.